Hi, and welcome to week 6. This week you'll be working on fantasy, science fiction, and folklore. Those three topics, those three genres, are the three that we'll be focused on this week. Now, this week might look a little different to you because I'm trying something out. Each week you've been in what I call the template is an assignment template. This week you're going to be in a discussion, so you should be able to see other people's work. And I want you to comment on that, and I will tell you where you will do that along the way. The first activity, like usual, is to view the video, which you're doing right now, so you have a better understanding of what my expectations are for you this week. This week, you're going to discuss your young adult book in your literacy circle. And our first topic this week is diversity, looking at diversity in fantasy. You're going to read one of the articles below and respond to the following questions, depending on which article you read. Then you're going to locate a colleague's posting different from yours, and you're going to comment on their posting. You only need to do one. So if you have read the Campaign for Shiny Futures, which is here below, link for that, then you will look for somebody who has read Music on a Diverse World, or vice versa. So you won't be commenting. Now, if you can only find people who have commented on yours, by all means, you can comment on that as well. But try to find somebody different to comment on. The next activity is to evaluate a science fiction or fantasy book. So after you've read Chapter 6 in our textbook and explored the PowerPoint here below, you're going to evaluate a fantasy or science fiction book from your self-selected log or library using the evaluation questions. Here are the questions found in this link. Then you'll look at this video, The Flying Books of Mr. Morris Lesmore, and it's a short film that won an Academy Award, and it's based on a fantasy picture book by the same title. You're going to locate a website about this book and share what you would use from the website in creating a lesson for the use of this book. You do not need to create a lesson, kind of like the lesson sketches you created. You're just going to list your ideas from the website information. Then you'll link the website you used, and you should be able to do that. I'll double check and post your ideas, your list of ideas in this Dropbox. You're going to comment on one of your colleagues' lessons idea. So this time you don't necessarily, I think I've made it available for text information rather than a document information. So you don't have to post the link in a document. You should be able to post the link here. Again, please have some grace with me. In case you can't, you can just let me know and I'll see what I can do. But I'm going to double check before I start, because once I start receiving submissions, I won't be able to change it. But I think I marked to make sure you have a text link versus a document. You don't have to create a document. You can just link your, you can just post your link for your idea and comment on that. And then you're going to comment on one of your other colleagues' lesson idea. Then we're going to take a look at folklore. I want you to find a folklore book to read from, probably that you read for your self-selected reading log or library. And if you've already read a folk book, then use it to complete the following and post it in this Dropbox. So you're going to provide the title, the author of the book, and a short summary. You're going to identify the type of folklore from the book. It's based on the information provided in the PowerPoint below, or in Chapter 5 if you're using your textbook as well. You're going to evaluate the book using the handout entitled Evaluating Folklore right here. And you're going to discuss whether you think this piece of folklore is authentic to the culture. Provide a rationale for your reasoning. And last but not least, you're going to showcase you telling a folklore story, not reading it. You can use the book for guidance, as you see I have done here in this video, but you are not to read the story. I don't need you to read the story. I would like you to tell the story, but you can use the book. You can refer to the book for guidance if you need it and to help you tell the story. But you're going to actually create a selfie and tell us a story. Please use storytelling tips found below. And I've created a video of me sharing the story. So you're going to post your work in this Dropbox, your video. You're going to post your video, and you're going to post a comment about using one idea from the tips as a point of evaluation for me and one other colleague. So you're going to comment on my video, and you're going to comment on one other colleague's. That is the information you need this week to complete the activities. Here are some reminders. The AI assignment is due this week by Sunday, March 10th at 11:59. Your self-selected virtual library is due week 7. I can't believe I'm already saying week 7, but it is week 7, which is next week. And the informational textbook will be discussed in week 7. So if you enter your subject here, it can be week 6. That's all you need to put. And then put your information in here. You're going to keep this as it is, and then you'll post. And you should be able to also respond. You'll see all of the students here. Now, this is the first time I've used this. I did talk with the administrative team, and I think they think it's good to go. If we have problems, we'll resolve them as we go along. Please, 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 there won't be any reflection on you because it's me, but I'm trying this out for the first time, and I'm hoping you'll be willing to go along with it and see how successful we are. If you have questions, by all means, please reach out to me. Otherwise, I'll either see you in literacy group, hopefully, or I'll see you online. Have a great week.